it's Brenda, tech reporter with Mashable, and today we're going to go see Samsung's latest flagship phones, the Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, and the S20 Ultra. Let's go check them out. On the outside, the Galaxy S20 lineup doesn't look too different from the S10. Each one still comes with glass on the back and front and metal in between. You'll also have a variety of different colors to choose from. The S20 comes in cloud pink, cloud blue, and cosmic gray, while the S20 Plus and S20 Ultra both come in cosmic black and cosmic gray. But you can also opt for cosmic blue with the S20 Plus. The S20 comes with a 6.2-inch AMOLED display, while the S20 Plus comes with a 6.7-inch AMOLED display. Meanwhile, the S20 Ultra features the largest display of them all at 6.9 inches. All three phones also come with Samsung's Infinity O displays, but this time around, the hole punch cutout for the 10-megapixel selfie camera has been moved to the middle rather than the right side, and it's also the smallest it's ever been. This year, the S20 phones are powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 865 processor and comes in a few different storage configurations. All three phones come with a base of 12 gigabytes of memory, but as far as internal storage goes, the S20 comes with 128 gigabytes, while the S20 Plus offers 128 gigabytes or 512 gigabytes. The S20 Ultra retains the 12 gigabytes for its 128 gigabyte configuration, but can also be increased to 16 gigabytes of RAM with 512 gigabytes of storage. There's also a microSD card on all three phones for up to 1 terabyte of additional storage. Samsung has also upped its camera game with sensors that are up to 3 times larger than on the S10 to allow for better detail, light, and clarity in each photo. The S20 comes with a triple camera setup that includes a 12-megapixel wide-angle lens, a 120-degree 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 64-megapixel telephoto lens. The S20 Plus has the same rear camera setup but adds in a depth-sensing time-of-flight sensor. On the S20 Ultra, you'll find a 108-megapixel wide-angle lens, a 120-degree 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 48-megapixel telephoto lens. Like the S20 Plus, it also comes with a time-of-flight sensor. There's also some impressive zoom capabilities on these devices. Samsung has introduced this new space zoom feature that combines optic zoom technology with software-based AI-powered digital zoom. The S20 and S20 Plus are capable of up to 30 times zoom using the 64-megapixel sensor, while the S20 Ultra provides up to 100 times lossless zoom. To help with shakiness when zooming in that close, the Ultra uses motion-stabilizing AI software that locks down a nice, clean shot for you. There's also a targeting guide that appears beyond 20 times zoom to help you aim directly at the subject to snap a photo. All three phones also come with new features to edit and enhance your content straight from the device. The single-take feature allows you to record up to 10 seconds of video and then uses AI to suggest the best shot, whether it's a photo or GIF. All the recommendations are bundled into a gallery view so you can pick your favorite one. There's also a new night hyperlapse feature that lets you shoot a time-lapse in low-light conditions. All three phones also come equipped with 5G. The S20 comes with sub-6 5G capabilities, while the S20 Plus and S20 Ultra will give you both sub-6 and mmWave capabilities. But unless you live in an area that offers 5G right now, you probably shouldn't buy one of these phones strictly for that, unless you have zero plans to upgrade your phone for the next few years and don't mind waiting. So all in all, Samsung's latest phones don't look too different in terms of design, but they do come with a ton of upgrades in terms of camera, the zoom functionality, and the features available on the device. But these phones aren't going to come cheap. So the S20 is going to start at $999, the S20 Plus is going to cost you $1199, and the Ultra is going to start at $1399. They're available for pre-order starting February 21st and will be available in stores March 6th.